Welcome back, folks. We're at it again. Just left the bank. It's the fattest stack of hundreds I've ever carried in my life. Let's go get our boat. Alright, here we go, guys. Start of a journey. Got 2 kids to pick up here at the school, and then we're jamming up towards Colville. Probably get a bite to eat after we look at the boat, because it's going to be a little late when we get there. But boys over here playing football, girls playing volleyball. I had to wait for them. It's been a rough little while. We'll pick it up in a minute. Let's go. All right, that's Colville down there. We have officially made it to the top. They call this Kettle's Crest, State Highway 20. So we close now. Long drive over the mountain. It's definitely way cooler up here. We were sweating our butts off earlier, just cooking. But we're ready to get a boat. Let's go look at this thing.
It's not for you. He's going really fast.
Let's go fast. Alright. Guess we're rolling. Oh, what kind of sign is that? Candy Cane Lane?
It's going around town.
Let's see what we got out here. Fingers crossed it's a good boat.
Sure.
Alright, let's get there. Go!
Fast again.
Alright, it's Kettle Falls. We are officially just right up the road. So I think we're gonna go right. Right. Huge. Stinking like a bad place here. So tomorrow we've decided that we're going to try and maybe just launch the boat here on the Columbia River, and we'll take it out and do some fishing, maybe some tubing and some that. Left here.
At the light, turn left on State Route 20 East, East 3rd Avenue.
Yeah.
I've been here since I was welding at the mill over there.
I say Bigfoot.
Bigfoot.
Star, wait
Mike.
Well, that's not big enough. That just won't do. Let's keep looking. Looks like we're 1 minute away, it says. Maybe at the top of this hill. Come on! Maybe it is over there.
For a second. Thanks.
Boys don't bring.
It looks like it's that house over there, though.
So what's this say?
All right, so I guess this is all one property, is what I'm thinking. There's 2 garages and horse stalls. These guys got money. Big money. That's why they got the big boat. All right, I see somebody coming, so I'll shut the camera off. Let's go get this boat. Okay, they said it's in the building, so that confirms it. That is the boat we just saw. It's been stored in here. Apparently, it's all alive. Ooh, I'm getting excited. You getting excited? Oh, boys. That's her.
I'm not gonna back up yet because I don't want to.
Don't let them think they're getting. Yeah, that's a good method.
Right?
Pulling forwards.
I'm going to.
You're smart. Smart lady. So smart. Hit her again! Woo! Dang!
Awesome.
It's aggressive back here. Sounds like a dragster.
It does comes out of the water. When it's in the water, it's kind of like a water.
That's okay. I love it. What do you guys think? Are we getting this? Listen to it. Let's get this cover up. Got it. Alright, I've done it, guys. I paid for it. I even got an extra kicker engine that goes on the back here. Ooh. Dang, Gina. Making the truck look small. Woo. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. We're at Walmart. Getting a few supplies for tomorrow's boating trip. We got the boat.
Walmart.
We got the boat. What a spot to come to.
These are all
World record fish. This is why we bought the boat. We want that. And we want that. And we want a tuna. You see a tuna in here? Vermilion rockfish.
A ballyhoo. Bait fish.
Muskie. That'd be a good catch. That striped bass is huge up there.
Look at the male king salmon. Look at that thing.
Everything looks cool.
Like a monster.
Hey, what is this?
That is you.
Was this giant thing?
How you doing, bud? Just hanging around?
Is he real?
Oh, he's real. He's real.
He's
Don't touch him.
real.
They're expensive. Mahi mahi. Those are going to be cool. That's down by Hawaii. And the flying fish. King salmon's huge. That thing is huge. Look. Giant.
Oh, that one is bigger than
And there's a striped marlin. Isn't that a beaut?
that.
Aren't they crazy looking?
What type of demon?
They lay on their side like that on the bottom, so their head's like that.
A striped marlin?
There's a shark.
Oh no.
Hammerhead. Bottom.
Oh, Dad, samurai sword.
All right, we made it to our rooms. Now we're gonna go play in the pool. Then boating. Holy.
Pickle.
It's
Holy
called
pickle.
the dirty deal for real.
How do I do this?
Unique drink. I took a pull off there. Woo!
What do you think this is?
Danielle,
What?
do the dirty deal. Come on.
Just a minute.
No, do it now. Come on.
I
just focused in on your beautiful face. Please do the dirty deal. Then the music, because the music's always a copyright.
I'm always delicious, but I'm better chill.
You should have seen her shirt in the pool today. Oh my god.
Neapolipolis. Should I
She
smell it?
she got a green tank top at Walmart, right? By the time the chlorine had its way, I could see everything like X-ray vision.
This won't come off. I don't know if I'm supposed to drink this. I can't open it.
You're in your boat.
Bitch. Catalina wine mix a motherfucker.
The wood looks so great around here on camera. It looks so beautiful. Somebody actually cared about this, and it made you look so much better.
This is fun.
Now, dirty deal. All of it. One shot.
Yeah, by your reaction, I got
Come on, one shot it. Come on, baby. Your first big investment on the boat. Put it all down.
You're gonna breathe it all out.
Do it. Don't sniff it. Do it all.
Never sniff it.
Do it all. Made the noise.
That's fucked.
What's wrong?
Ugh. It's like a cucumber in a pickle. What is that? Good God.
It's like twist your face, huh?
Dude, like that.
Do what?
Definitely doesn't taste like booze. It tastes like a fucking vinegar pickle.
Tastes like vinegar juice.
Vinegar pickle.
Nope, there was alcohol in that.
We should put eggs in this concoction. Vinegar, drunk, pickled eggs.
Boy, it sounds like a bad fart. Time. We're back at Walmart. Danielle is in the boat right now. We got some new throw pillows and some beach towels. We got the ice in there. Got the water. Got a bottle of wine to christen it. Noisy. Let's do this. Just leaving Walmart. We're gonna go gas it up. Head to the lake. Getting a little nervous now. Let's go. It's probably because it's like a community area.
No, the corner said it was 25. Like, must be fair, man.
Probably. We're almost there. I've got this hat because I forgot the captain's hat. Dumbass. But
We're gonna ride camera.
she says she's gonna Sharpie me up the words captain on it. That's what I'm talking about. Then I'm gonna give her the hat when the police show up. Oh, I don't have a boating license if anybody didn't know that. Also don't have a pilot's license. I was trying to buy an airplane. Might have the horse before the cart. I'm not sure. But we're here. Needless to say.
You got the cart before the horse.
Is the cart before the horse or the horse before the cart?
I don't know that goes.
I don't know how that goes easily. Something's wrong.
Mom's doing
Usually
good.
something's wrong.
In the lane. Woo! Big bet.
We're almost here. Right down here is the beautiful water. You can see it starting to pop up. So today we're going to launch, I believe, at the Kettle Falls Marina
Yep, on Lake Roosevelt.
on Roosevelt. So if you guys don't know, that's this
In half a mile, turn left onto Boise.
only half a mile away, so we got a little bit of time to talk. That's this place. Beautiful Lake Roosevelt. Me and Danielle happened to grow up part of our lives on the upper part of the Columbia. So, good place to launch it for the first time. I think she's excited. She's actually crying.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Like a baby.
Just thinking God.
Quarter
Oh.
mile, turn left onto Boise Cascade Road, Catskill Road.
Dad, I just seen a Yamaha monkey.
You're a
the little
monkey.
Yamaha monkeys. Little Highlands.
Kid's a monkey.
Okay, I got a question. It might sound dumb, but why do they call it Lake Roosevelt if it's the Columbian River?
Because it's dammed.
Oh?
The dam makes it a lake.
Boise Cascade
yeah,
Road, Kettle
that makes
Park
sense.
Road,
Oh,
then
shit.
turn right onto
You're going
Williams
left.
Street.
I might have enough money to do that.
I gave her $80. She's gonna make it. You know, a lot of boats coming today. I don't know what it is. When you buy a new car, like we bought the Lexus the other day, all of a sudden there was 3 other Lexuses just like it. Then we got the boat. And what have we seen all the way here? Giant boats. And they're all gonna be in front of me down here, waiting to laugh at me if I don't launch this right. Maybe I'll laugh at them first. Huh? We'll laugh at them first. Ha ha ha.
Then you're gonna stall your motor.
Take the next right onto Williams
Oh,
Street.
we're here. We are here. Yeah, there's a few guys here.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
That's the big one that went by with the dinghy on the back.
We made it.
We did make it.
All right, guys.
look.
While we figure out what we're doing, I'm going to turn this off for a minute.
Thank you.
All right, we're here. Skylar's finishing filling up the tube
Child labor.
and taking up a bit of the parking lot, but we're ready to launch this boat and take it off right here. A few guys ahead of us still. They're just getting out themselves. So it's just about our turn. Looks like the ramp's cleaning up. We're gonna get it done. Hopefully just as easy as that was. That's what I'm hoping. Let's get it done.
Dad says he's nervous.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too. There's a lot of boats here too. And cool airplanes.
I think I want to go down that right side.
This side right here?
Very, very right. Where that Mercury is, probably. I want to be between the two docks. Think they're getting out or getting in? guess we just pick one that's open then, huh?
Yeah.
This far side one.
Stop it. We're nervous.
I don't know the rules. Like goes there. I'm supposed to wait for him to leave.
I don't know. Could always go read it. Guess if we get yelled at, we'll just tell them we're no. Thank God you back here.
All right, it's in. We're right there. Let's get in that. All right, there's the missus. Let's get this boat in the water.
That
So quiet
easy,
in the
huh?
water. I was waiting for it to be like blah 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 blah. It's not as loud as it was up on the land.
Got the boys in there.
Okay,
There's carpet on the roof.
here's our throttle.
There's a button on this side. Just later. Is that the prop up and down? You want me to go look? Here.
Yeah. Ho ho ho! We're backing up.
Good here. There's the beach, Daddy. Go that way. We're doing it.
Commanding this thing like a captain. Yes, I am.
Captain Charles. As of here, we're getting a view from this way.
All right, first obstacle, big ball.
What are you doing?
Trimming her down. Making sure it's down. I want to do a wheelie like the last time, huh?
Do you know what that one is?
I have no clue what that is.
Oh my gosh. God bless it. God bless it. We did it.
Yes!
We did it.
We should, once we get out here, we should get that tube wires, the rope and everything hooked up so that thing doesn't fly away.
Yeah. We just want to get out here. Get out a little ways. Oh, Daddy.
Oh, she's got authority. Sounds so good.
He said you just got to be careful when you're slowing down. Don't just not to slow down too fast.
Yeah, it's a big wake wheel.
All right.
Go ahead, Mama. Get wet.
Don't lose your glasses. And she lost her
There
glasses.
goes the glasses.
I
She's a good swimmer. She'll find them.
oh my god.
You got him!
I had to dive down for this.
Dad,
Almost drowned.
Let the fun begin. The dog's all, what's happening?
Skylar, don't lose your hat.
All right, we got the tube all blown up.
Shirt off.
It's a 3-man Batman wing.
Give me my
Should
dog.
do a little flying with the one guy.
Just set her down.
We're all getting in the lake. Let's go. So those are the folks we got the boat from right there.
I'm gonna jump this way.
Lily,
Thanks, guys. They just came in to see if we made it in the water or not.
what are you panicking about? It's Dad, it's so cold. If Dad gets in, I'll get in. If Dad
I'll get in a minute. I'm enjoying myself.
Max is freezing to death now.
There
Jump, Scott. Leave pushing son off there.
he goes.
Oh my god!
You got the biggest booger.
All right, guys.
Oh my God, it's all gone.
We only made it that far from the dock so far, but we're enjoying it.
Oh,
I told you it's cold, huh?
Whoa, shell shockers. All right, first tubers on the tube. Don't go fast, he says. Watch your feet, Max. Don't want to get that rope tied up around you. Let me let them all go out. All right, blower on.
We're not gonna go fast.
Mom, can I go down there and ride?
Motor on.
Hang on to the side.
Oh, fired right up. All right. All right, guys. We'll kick her into gear.
Better go slow. Maybe hand me that flag.
Just the wind.
No, sit down.
Sit down, flag boy.
Here, let me fix this. See, now the wind will blow it and it will do
Let
this.
me see.
All right, we got them tight. Oh, pass them on the camera.
So I had it.
No, we gotta wait. You can only wave the flag if they fall off. Oh, the ladder's down still. Sorry, that's not very good for the chairs. Gotta pay attention to the ladder.
Let's get the ladder real quick.
Sit down.
Max, stay sitting.
I gotta get the ladder. Hold on. This is down. I hate it. I have to step over.
back in. Take two.
You hold on, Maxie. Keep going.
Yes, I know. Means stop. Good.
So good means go.
Good means go.
That means go. How was it?
1,000 likes. You.
I wanted to go faster, but you guys kept saying, slow down.
No more.
Lily's ready to go?
Can you turn the profile so everything's off?
We's having lunch on a boat.
On the boat.
Got the poles out in the water. Running some flashers. Got one on each side. This one here's mine. Skylar's captaining for a minute. Lily's lounging. Got Mom's pole out the opposite side. Happy Mama. Mini Max down below.
Gaddy.
I am the Capitan.
Begging dog.
Wait, this is her food.
Oh, it does smell like dog food. Cute. You gonna eat out the packet like that? What the heck?
I don't have a bowl.
Huh. Oh, she's so cute. All right, time for a big fish. Let's go.
Alright.
Hot shoes.
Christening time.
Hey, Mama, look. Baby Daffy
Chris on this bitch.
That beach was
Take a swig off of it. Oh,
Dad,
pretty
turn
good.
left.
We're turning left.
It's really good.
Yeah, turn left to Dad
Well,
Beach.
we're broke. We have no boat. We have no money. We spent it all on the boat. We only have water bottles. We have no wine glasses.
Dad,
We spent all the money on the boat. And
you need to turn left.
Got a guy fishing in front of us. We gotta pay attention. Lily's having some bow time. Fish finder's showing fish, but we are not catching them right now. I think I should have brought some different wedding rings or something. I don't know. Bull's just dancing back there. Got some shiners on it.
What
You want, Dad?
Send me some.
catch fish? Because we don't have fish.
Oh, that stuff looks like it'll stay in the carpet good.
Use your fish
over here.
to get them.
got 2 caps, which is why
That's for you and Lily.
Alright.
Is it top watering?
Yeah. I'm riding the waves right now.
Oh, popping out. That's what's making it look like that. Looked like he had a heck of a hit there.
I'm just gonna bring it in for now.
All right.
I just feel like it just rides the top.
Now bring it in. Getting a little choppy out here. One big body of water, to be honest.
I love Mama.
Sure look beautiful with that water behind you.
Look, guys. That boat's cool. Look behind you, Dada.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yours is right there.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, I can see yours right there to the left. It's just riding up on the waves, watch.
Oh, that's not the world's ending.
No.
That's where it says the fish are.
I shouldn't just try a regular lure, huh?
Wouldn't hurt. We ain't doing great with that 10-foot shiner. Alright. Cross your fingers, guys. We need a fish.
Fishy, fishy,
Big
fishy.
fishy.
Fishing. Drinking.
What? Mama, charge my phone.
Sure look beautiful back there, baby. Alright, that one's the throttle. Push it down.
Oh, yeah, do you need this?
Nope. Let's get on it.
Need this more?
You good? Let's give it some gas. It's on auto trim. Don't hit nobody. Get some air.
Come on, get it.
Drive this thing, mama.
No air, get this flying.
Look at your dog. I can't do anything.
Got some big waves today. That's the view from the cockpit. You feel like you guys are driving. That's what it look like.
Going back.
Alright, if you want the nose to go down so you can see better, push this. And it's gonna start trimming it.
Yeah, it seems like you're way up in the air.
Because you're going slow. Now you trim.
Why is it turning that
Oh,
way?
I don't know.
Jeez.
All right, we did it. We officially went out on the lake. Airplanes are fire somewhere close by. Yeah. Fireballs. But we got her on the trailer, got the prop up. We're out of here. Thanks for joining us. We're heading home. We'll see you guys in the next video, out catching some big fish. Let's go. Hey guys, into the video. You know what to do. Like, sub. Stay with us. The journey's just beginning. We got things to do. Join us.